Hi, welcome to Road to Coffee. Today we are in the beautiful Portuguese town of Aveiro, where we will be walking to a coffee shop called Monlou. So let's get going. We are starting our walk at Forum, which is a shopping center located here. From Forum, we will walk along the blue route to Monlou Cake and Coffee House. Currently, the Christmas lights are set up, and if you can, you should definitely come check them out during the evenings. Aveiro is known for many things, of which the canals and colorfully painted Moliceiros boats are one of them. Aveiro is a very cool city and has been voted as the Capital Portuguesa de Cultura, which means the cultural capital of Portugal for the year 2024. On a side note, my Portuguese pronunciation is not yet perfect, but it is a work in progress, like learning any new language is. This is my favorite street in Aveiro. It is lined with cobblestones, beautiful buildings, and cute shops. One such shop is called Confeitaria Peixinho, and they sell these sweets called avsmalls. Right next door is a shop called Comer that sells mostly preserved fish in these beautifully created cans like the one of Aveiro. Walking along this street, you'll see cool artwork like these murals made from ceramic tiles, awesome cobblestone patterns, and really colorful buildings. On the left, you can see the Church of Misericordia of Aveiro, which was built in the 1600s. Right across from it is the District Council of Aveiro. It's also a beautiful building, but unfortunately you can't see it because it is under maintenance. Portugal is also well known for its Portuguese tiles called azulejos. Wow, this walking is making me thirsty, so let's speed things along. Yay! We've arrived at Monlou Cake and Coffee House. We enjoyed a speculoos hot chocolate as well as a chocolate milkshake. See you next time!